Punctuality refers to the habit of a human being completing their task on time. We can say that punctuality is a great habit which surely results in success. All the leaders have punctuality in common as the habit is such. In other words, when you are on time, you will maintain the discipline and order in your life. It will in turn help you achieve your goals faster within a set time period. Moreover, it also makes you a man of habit. This creates a very good impression in front of others. Punctuality is an etiquette which encourages us to complete our work in a timely fashion. It also makes us realize the importance of time. A person who is punctual will always know how to respect their time and others as well. Importance of punctuality. Punctuality is of great importance. It is truly underestimated and must be given utmost importance. When a person becomes punctual, everything else falls into place. You get discipline in life and also earn the respect of the others. Subsequently, a punctual person works on time without any hindrance. The people who are employed in armies and navies are given rigorous training to become disciplined and punctual. They pay no heed to any circumstances, be it rain or thunder. They care about their punctuality. Furthermore, punctuality pushes the person to achieve success at faster rate than others. We must develop this quality in children from an early age, which will make it easy for everyone to lead a better life. When a person is punctual, they get utmost respect and admiration by society and reach greater heights than an unpunctual person. Key to success. We can now safely say that punctuality is definitely the key to success. As we know, everything else falls in order when we become punctual, likewise success will too. When you become successful, you know that you can arrive at your destination. This may only happen when a person works on time and achieves their time goals. In addition to punctuality, hard work is also important. If you ask all the successful people of the world, you will see that there is their secret to success as well. Why so? Because a successful person knows very well how to make use of their time and act accordingly. Similarly, everyone must adopt this habit to reach great heights in life. It is correctly said that time and tide wait for none. That we must remember it well. We cannot stop time or turn it back. Every second is precious. That is why it is important to be punctual in life at all times. So you never miss out on opportunities. Moreover, you will also become happier when you get punctual. Therefore, we see how punctuality plays a major role in anyone's life. If we are not punctual, we cannot be as successful as others. In addition, this competitive world demands punctuality so that all of us can be successful in life. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.